Hello guys, welcome back to my video. Today I want to share something simple and special from my garden. This morning I went to my bamboo garden and collected a wild vegetable. I don't know the scientific name of this plant, but in my local language we call it hibio. It is a very unique plant and not many people know about it. The taste of this vegetable is bitter, but honestly, I really love bitter food. I know that everyone likes it, but for me, it has a very natural and fresh taste. Sometimes I eat this vegetable raw, but when we cook it with fork, it becomes even more delicious. The flavor mixes so well and it tastes amazing. One interesting thing about this plant is that we can eat the whole plant. Yes, everything is edible, even the roots. The entire plant is bitter from top to bottom. Also, this plant is traditionally used for controlling high blood pressure and helping manage blood sugar levels. Today, the weather was really nice and peaceful. After many days of rain last week, finally there was some sunshine. The air felt fresh and the garden looked very calm and green. I was alone in my garden, just enjoying the quiet moment and collecting these small plants. Right now, this plant is very small, but after a few days, it will grow bigger and stronger. In winter, we usually collect the roots of this plant because that is the best time. The roots are also very useful and full of flavor. For me, going to garden is not just about collecting vegetables. It is also a peaceful time to relax, think, and enjoy nature. Simple things like this make me really happy. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and learning something new about this wild vegetables. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.